Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, May 11th. It is so good to be here today. We're talking about reliability this week. Check that out right there and how you can be reliable. Can you please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance? Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Sit up nice and straight. Show me a good slant. So like we talked about yesterday, reliability means being reliable and people can count on you. They know you're going to make the right choice every time. Well, here's what I want you to talk about with your class today. Sometimes when you live in a group, like in a family or in a class, things happen. Things get kind of weird sometimes. Sometimes it's uncomfortable because you're just around each other all the time. I want your class to talk about this today and think of one thing that you decide. You can throw a few different ideas around and then think of one thing that everybody in the class can count on each other to do. Okay? Like maybe it's raising your hand before you talk, and everyone can count on every other person in the class that they are always going to raise their hand before they talk. Or maybe it's stay in the right place in your line, or work really hard until the timer is up. I want you guys to think of something that your class needs to think of today, and you might even want to, like, after you make your decision, write it on the board, and then all day long, we're going to make sure that you are reliable, everyone in your class is reliable, and we can count on you to do your class's goal for today. Have a great day, Achieve.